Making plans. Hi, Sydney. Here is the schedule for our trip. On Monday, we are going to arrive at the airport at 6 a.m. Our flight leaves at 9 a.m. On Monday evening, we are going to have dinner with Cam and David. On Tuesday, we are going to have a tour of the city. We're going to visit the museum and go sightseeing. For dinner, we're going to go to a great Italian restaurant. On Wednesday, we're going to go fishing on Cam's boat. We're going to cook the fish on the beach in the evening. On Thursday, we're going to watch a basketball game at the stadium. David says we are going to have great seats. On Friday, we're going to take a rest. See you soon. Rose.